What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Sorento remote key fob. This Kia Sorento key fob is going to be for the Sorentos that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and go ahead and flip the key blade out. Then if we hold the fob with the buttons facing down, we're going to remove this back cover right here. And most of the time you can just get this off with your fingers. If you kind of get a finger or two on here and your thumb down here, that cover will just pull off of there like that. If you're unable to get that off with just your fingers, you can grab a flathead screwdriver and use it just to help pry that off like that. Once we get that back cover off, we see our battery right here. And I'll use a screwdriver or even something with like a small point on it just to get under the edge of the battery and help get it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing the replacement battery with the plus side up. And I'm going to come in here and kind of tuck this edge in first, the side that's near the logo or the key blade. Kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can snap this back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.